Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys are had a fantastic day. Hope you're having a good week so far. Today we have made it to day number 155 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income or earn a good income doing so within 1 year. Okay. So if you would like, go back and watch those previous videos that I put out in the beginning of the series so you can kind of get up to speed on where we're going and where we are now. All right. Now we're heading into day number 160. When we get to 160, we'll be halfway through our challenge. All right. But right now, we still got a little bit to go, about 6 more days to get there, and we'll be halfway there. But right now, we're still in month number 5. Okay. So let's go ahead and hop right into this video. We're on day number 155. All right. So, if you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, guys, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Okay, now what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have. All right, so let's say, for instance, you have one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. Okay, if you have two accounts, one of those accounts will have 200 leads, and then one will have 100 until you get someone to sign up underneath that account. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret is that they allow you to have multiple accounts and you can stack your accounts on top of each other. So that way, once you sign up for the first account, you'll sign up for the next one underneath your first account. And then you keep doing that over and over and over again until you get as many accounts as you like. All right. Now, just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. Okay. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. And I have earned income with this company. Okay. So the only thing about this, guys, is the traffic is cold traffic. Okay, so these people have no idea who you are. They do have to get warmed up to your offers. You can't you're not going to be able to just to come in and just send out an email and then make thousands of dollars next week. Okay, it just doesn't work. It doesn't work that way. Okay, now, just a little bit about this traffic, guys. This traffic is business opportunity traffic. Okay. So these people that are coming on this list, they care about making money online. Okay. So those type of offers will work the best. All right. Now, you can go out and use different networks. Now, you don't have to use ClickBank. ClickBank is what we're using for this series. But you can use JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Max Bounty, Blue Media Ventures. There's tons of different CPA networks that you can use. And all you have to do is create the emails or use email swipes or AI or something like that. And then you send them to this traffic. All right. Now, there's going to be two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secrets. Number one is you can promote My Legion Secret itself. Okay. You can literally come in here and go to the affiliates tab. They already got some pre-written emails for you. Just go to promo tools and they have some pre-written email swipes that work. Okay. I've used these personally and I can tell you that they do work and I have earned commissions from this. Okay. So literally all you have to do is start with email number one and just click on import. And what that's going to do is going to take you to the mailing system where you send your emails out. All you got to do is select all, click on all of your emails. Okay. And then come back over here. And then, as you can see, the subject line is in there for you. Okay. And then the body of text, which is going to be this right here. Okay. All you got to do is come down, click on perfect timing. All right. And then come down here and this email is ready to go. And as you can see, your link is right here. Okay. So all you got to do is come down here and click on send. Now, I've already sent out my emails for today. I have 8 different accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails. Okay, and you'll get that fast. Once you start getting used to sending out emails every single day. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's pretty much how you do it. And you click send. That's how you do it. And this email is going to go out to your list that you have accumulated. Over however long you've been with the system. Okay. So that's one way that you can make money with My Legion Secret. All right. The other way is using a affiliate networks such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus or something like that. You grab some of those business opportunity offers and you send them over to this traffic. Now, the cool thing about some of these ClickBank offers, which is, in my opinion, that ClickBank offers do perform the best with this traffic from what I've discovered. Okay, those offers work really good with the My Legion Secret. Okay, so those offers in the business opportunity section, which is the e-business, e-marketing section to be exact, if you use some of those offers, they have free email swipes that you can use. Okay. You just literally, all you have to do is go grab the subject line, copy it, paste it over to the mailing system, go back over to ClickBank, copy and paste the body of text, come back over and paste it into the system, insert your link. Okay. And then once you insert your link, it'll be in the email and then you just click on send and then that email will go out. But all you have to do is copy and paste. So if you can copy and paste and send emails, you can do this method, guys. It's super easy to do. And let me show you what one of those emails would look like. And your back office is going to look exactly like this, guys. So you have the banner here, you have these tabs coming across. The only thing different between your account and mine is going to be the link, of course. Your affiliate link is going to be different in the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay. Obviously, we're all going to be sending out emails on different times. So, I mean, it's going to be different, right? So, pretty much what you would do, one of those emails that you would see on in that section, okay, is those emails are going to look something like this, okay. So, pretty much you would just, there's a subject line right here, and I copied and paste that over, and then here's the body of text showing the customer, about the offer, the opportunity, and then it tells them how to get started and what they'll be doing. Okay, and then if you go right here, you can just this is a clickable link. Okay, and then if you come down here, here's another clickable link right here. Okay, so when our prospects clicks here where it says please click here, all they got to do is click there and it's going to take them to your affiliate page, and your affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay. So all our job is to get our prospect to our affiliate page. We make our email look good, make it more job oriented. Okay. And with this offer, this is a very good offer. And once people get started working and they start making money, they're going to stay with the program. Okay. Now the offer we are promoting has a rebill of $20 every single month. So this how this offer works. The one that we're promoting is a free trial. The customer signs up for a free trial. We don't get paid for the free trial. We do get the sale. We do get the sale, but when they get billed on the third day, that's when we earn our commission. Now, not only do we earn a commission on that day after that third day, we're going to earn a commission the next month on the same day. Okay, because they're going to get billed each and every month. So the whole idea with this method to this madness, guys, is to get multiple people signing up for their free trials and multiple people getting billed for the program every 3 days and every month, okay, from month in and month out. Now, I have people on my list that's been with me from when I first started this series, okay, from way back in, March or April or something like that. There's people that are still on my list that are still getting charged for the system because the system is working for them. Okay, whatever I'm promoting, they're making money from it. Okay, so that's all we have to do, guys. We have to get our prospect to the landing page, to the offer, so they can review it and decide if they want to start working right away. Okay. So that's just another cool thing about promoting that offer is that, it has a residual billing. So you do the work one time, set it up one time, get somebody signed up, and you're off to the races. They're going to get billed each and every month as long as they stay on the board with the system. All right. So that's how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system. I just showed you guys how to do it, right? Like I said, if you don't remember what I just said, just rewind this video, go back, or just go back and watch my earlier videos. I kind of go in more detail on how easy it is just to go copy and paste. I go to ClickBank. I grab the offer. I show you exactly what offer to use or offers. You can use more. You can use whatever offer you like in that session because there's multiple offers that work. Okay, so you can literally go to that section, copy the email. I'll show you how to copy it and then come over here to the mailing system and send it out. So super easy to do. And if you need help, just go watch those previous videos. All right. Now, it is 11:51. Me, I like sending my emails out at night. I've already sent my emails out for today. Okay. So I just want to come over here to ClickBank, clickbank.com. This is the service, this is the network that we're using to use the business opportunity offers. So you are pretty much come here, create a free account, and then you'll be off to the races. All right. So this right here, guys, is the back office. What I like to do is show you the last 30 days of the series. That way you can see the algorithm and kind of see where things are going or what's it looking like ahead or behind us. Okay. So right here, guys, as you can see, the sales have been pretty consistent. Okay. The only thing is that in month number 5, you're not going to probably get sales every single day right off the bat. Okay. That part is going to take a while. Okay. So but being consistent and coming in every single day and sending out these emails, this is what you can expect with the algorithm. Okay. Right here is like 2 days. Okay. Right here is another 2 days. But as you can see, we got sales back to back right here. We got 3 sales back to back. Okay. We missed 2 days. We got 2 days here back to back, where we were able to get a sale 2 days in a row. We get skipped a day, got sales here, skipped a day, got the rebills here, skipped 2 days, got 4 sales in a row. Okay. This is the first time this has happened. So what this is telling me is that the algorithm is getting ready to change. Okay. Not only did it change right here, we got 4 in a row, but we also got 3 days that we did not get a sale. Okay. That's something that I haven't seen in a while. Okay. So it just tells me that things are starting to change. And I'm starting to see more sales, that extra sale that we got, which is 4 days in a row. Eventually, I want to get to a point where we're seeing 5, 6 days in a row, 7 days in a row. Okay. And then eventually, once we do that, we're going to be in good shape. We're going to be making sales every single day. Okay. Now, once we start making sales every day, you're going to start seeing the your income go up. Okay. You want to start seeing $40 days. Okay. 60 days, $80 days. Okay. And on up. All right. So I just wanted to show you what that looks like. So we did go 3 days without getting a sale, but as you can see, we came back on that fourth day and we got a sale. Okay. So 3 days was the longest. Came back on that fourth day. 4 sales in a row is a first for this whole video series. We never got 4 sales in a row, but we got 4 sales on the 5th month. So that's good. And as you can see right here, we got 3 sales back to back again. Okay. So, and then also we got a sale today. We got a sale yesterday and the day before. Okay. So that tells me that the algorithm is looking pretty good. Um, I just wanted to show you what this looks like. I wanted to show you that these sales are real. Okay. The thing about ClickBank, they pay out every Friday. So you get a paycheck every Friday or you get direct deposit. Me, I got direct deposit on mine. So as soon as Friday hits, they're sending off the funds to my account. Okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. And I've been earning steady every single Friday. I've been earning income, okay, for actually a few months, okay. About I would say 4 months I've been earning income with this method. All right. Now and that's just with this challenge, okay. I've been earning income with ClickBank for a while with the My Legion Secret, but on this offer, I created a new account and also created a new ClickBank account for this offer. So we were getting paid kind of right away, when we started doing this video series. Okay, but it's staying consistent, and I get paid every Friday. So if you need the extra income for maybe groceries, help need to put food on the table, maybe get your kids some diapers or help out with electric bill, gas bill, water bill, whatever kind of bill that you have, internet, maybe you need some help paying your phone bill. This is the extra income that you can make. Okay, you need some gas in your car, right? This is the extra money that you'll be able to have. okay, to be able to do some of those things and kind of free up some of your time. Now, this is, like I said before, guys, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay. These sales are real, but you do have to come in every single day and send out emails. You're not going to be able just to come in and send out emails and say, oh, this doesn't work, and then expect to make all this money. You have to put in the work. I send my emails out every single day. I've been doing this over a few years now. I've been sending emails for a few years, okay, with this system. So I can tell you that it does work, okay? You can take my word for it. I'm showing you right in front of your face. This is one of my ClickBank back offices. I got multiple ClickBank accounts, but this is the account that I created just for you guys, just to show you this specific method. And I want to take this thing and show you what the income possibilities are within for a year, okay, of you promoting this. And then after the year, we'll figure out if we want to continue or if we want to move on to another offer and do something else, right? But for right now, I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. I did send out, like I said, I sent out my emails out already. If you guys want to get started, there is a link below this video. So you just come down below here, click on the More tab, and then click on this MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you to the My Legion Secret landing page. Go ahead and get started today. Okay. If you come down here, you're going to see all these testimonials. Okay. These are testimonials from people that are making money with the system. Okay. Now, I'm not the only one making money. There's other people making money with this system. There's just lots of testimonial, guys. So I just wanted to show you what that looks like. Just let you know this stuff does work. You see other people doing it. You see I'm doing it, and you can do it too. Okay. So there is a one-time charge of only $60 to get started. Very inexpensive, and then $30 a month to keep the service. It's a no-brainer. I don't even have to go get into it. Just pay your money to get this thing started. Once you sign up, send me a message. Let me know. I do have some private emails that I'm only sending to people that sign up under me. I'm sending you those emails. That way you can start hitting the ground running. You already got maybe, I would say, 2 months worth of emails that you can start off with and just send those out every day for 2 months. And then what you can do is once you get to that last day of the second month, you can start back over on the first month and just keep copying and pasting those over and over and over again. Try doing that for a few months and you'll start getting onto the algorithm and you will start earning consistent income. All right. So, but you got to sign up and you got to let me know what your email address is. You got to contact and let me know, because if you don't, I'm not gonna know who to send the emails to, and I'm not gonna know what's going on. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. So go ahead and get started today. Also, subscribe to this channel, the True Freedom Income channel. This channel is going to be jam packed with just nothing but value, guys. Nothing but stuff that actually works. Okay, you're not going to see me come on this channel and try to promote, products and products and products out to you and share stuff with you that doesn't work, or send you fake screenshots or anything like that. That's just not my strategy, guys. I'm not going to show you something that I'm not doing personally and that I'm not making any money from. Okay. That's not going to be me. If I'm not making money from it, I'm not going to show you. But whatever I'm making money from, I'm going to show you. Okay. This is probably one of the easiest things to do online. I do paid advertising as well. But that you have to have a budget for. Okay. This is not something that most people are going to be able to just go and say, hey, I want to go spend this amount of X amount of money just to test campaigns. Okay. So that's a different story. Okay. But for right now, this is something that you can get your feet wet if you're new to affiliate marketing and you want to, get your feet wet by making a little bit of money on the side. All right. So I'm going to come back here tomorrow, and we'll check the results from tonight's emails and see how we did. And then I'll also go over some other cool stuff with you. So I will see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.